In this video, I'll show you how to set up HubSpot CRM step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot.com. Click the Get Started Free button and create a free account using your business email. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Once you're inside, HubSpot will guide you through a quick setup process. Enter your company name, business details, and choose your preferred time zone. Next, click the settings icon in the top menu. Review your account information and make sure everything is correct. This helps ensure your reports, emails, and sales activities are tracked properly. After that, invite your team members. In Settings, go to Users and Teams and click Create User. Enter their email addresses and send the invitations. This allows everyone to work together inside the same CRM account. Now, let's add your contacts. From the main menu, click Contacts and then select Import. Upload a CSV or Excel file containing your leads and customers. HubSpot will ask you to match the columns from your file to the correct CRM fields. Review everything carefully and complete the import. Next, set up your sales pipeline. Go to Sales and click Deals. Open the pipeline settings and create stages that match your sales process, such as new lead, qualified lead, proposal sent, and closed one. This helps you track every opportunity from start to finish. After that, connect your email account. Go to Settings and choose the Email Integration option. Connect Gmail or Outlook so HubSpot can automatically track conversations and keep all customer communication organized. Finally, create a test contact and a test deal to make sure everything is working correctly. Check your dashboard to confirm your contacts, deals, and activities are being recorded properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up HubSpot CRM step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.